The Filipino antonyms mataas means high or tall in English, and then mababa, which means low. Mataas, mababa. Mataas, mababa. Ang puno ay mataas at hindi maabot. The tree is tall and unreachable. Puno is a tree, and then mataas means tall or high. Hindi means cannot or cannot be reached. Abot is like reach. So unreachable, hindi maabot. Ang puno ay mataas at hindi maabot. Mababa ang kanyang hinala sa presyo. His or her expectation of the price is low. Mababa means low. And then kanya is his or her. It's gender neutral. Hinala is like the expectation. And then presyo is the price. Mababa ang kanyang hinala sa presyo. Mataas ang pananaw ng mga tao sa kanya. People have a high regard of him or her. Mataas means like high. And then pananaw is like regard. And then tao is a person, mga tao, it means people. Mga is the plural marker. And then sa kanya is for him or for her. It's also gender neutral. Mataas ang pananaw ng mga tao sa kanya. Ang tunog ng kampana ay mababa ang tono. It means that the bell sound is low in pitch. Mataas means high or tall. And then mababa means low. Mataas, mababa. Mataas, mababa.